very fortunate in that everyone that we work with at Scorpio considers themselves to be an artist of some kind, and that they're putting together a puzzle, that they're creating something, whether it's renovating the old and restoring it to something beautiful again, or if it's bringing something new to life, like the conference center that you're going to have. Again, this opportunity is so unique in just that it's doing so many of those things at one time in such a central location that's going to impact so many different people, that our staff in particular feels like this right now is probably the showcase job that all of us have ever worked on.
It needed to just be gutted, which is what we've done. New carpeting, new furniture, new lighting, all the things the students would complain about in the past, that it was dark, that it was old, that it was uncomfortable. We're hoping to fix all that. And we're adding over 100 new seats, so we'll have a bigger seating capacity, and we'll hope to welcome a lot more people into the building and offer something that maybe some of the other libraries don't.
Be patient. These projects can take a long time. It is going to appear that way because the process, from pre-construction all the way through closeout, when you're getting everything put back together and putting the furniture in, can take a while. It can seem to take a while, but all good projects do. But in the end, it's going to be so worth it. And as much anticipation and excitement that was surrounding the groundbreaking, the ribbon cutting is going to be that much more amazing.
They have a place to come to, that they don't have to travel to the other side of campus. They have something close, and it's basically everything that they're going to need is going to be right here. The space I'm standing in right now used to be a staircase, and most people would have never even known it was back here because we had it blocked off with an exhibit case. The staircase was not being used, and so the architects came up with this great idea to remove the staircase and make this into a really nice conference room. So this will have a big table in it, it'll sit 8 people, and we'll have a large monitor on that back wall, lots of places to plug in on the other 2 walls. But this space used to just be a dark, underneath the stairs hole, and we're going to be able to utilize it. We're going to put a couple of restaurant-style booths in here, with some big tables, and there's going to be a nice fun light at the top here to provide light for the space.
Scorpio is incredibly grateful for the opportunity to participate in something as transformative as this renovation and historic preservation project for the College of Education.
We miss everybody so much. Obviously we've kept in touch, but it's just different not being around everybody every day. So we're really looking forward to welcoming everybody back into this beautiful space.